We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Like his contemporaries, Hakka writer Ling Shuangbu was profoundly affected by the tumultuous political events of the 1970s and 80s in Taiwan. Previously using the pen name Bijou, Lin had been writing popular romantic novels and poetry since the age of 13. But the shock of the 1979 Kaohsiung incident and the murder of a key opposition figure's family members forced him to re-examine his role as a writer. He changed his name to Ling Shuangbu and started writing a new style of Bantu or native soil literature, focusing on the fate of ordinary Taiwanese in the face of political upheaval. Lin is extraordinarily self-disciplined in his work. Before writing Quiet Taiwanese, the stories of 8 overseas Taiwanese whose self-sacrifices helped democratize Taiwan, he spent 2 years living with his subjects in America. When he returned to Taiwan in 1997, he cut himself off from society for 6 months, writing continually from morning to night, never leaving his house or answering the telephone. Famously, even his father did not know that he had returned.
Hello everyone, I'm Joseph Lin, and this is our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alex Pong。
Hello，你好，大家好，是杜華。
我係史都華。
Which is fine. It's close enough. But you know,
it wasn't even close.
You know,
okay.
You're back here for a reason.
That's true.
You know?
I want to know, Joseph, because I have to ask somebody, you know. I want to ask him how to get married, you know.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You're getting serious
I'm
about
getting
serious.
Yeah.
他要问说，如果要问人家，要说，嫁给我好吗？要怎么说？
家本嗌好冇？
家本嗌好冇？ Did you hear that?
家門係家
本嗌。
家本嗌好冇？
Hey, not too bad, not too bad. It was better than your 你好. but hold on, why are you asking this?
Because I want to say to Alice, 家門嗌好冇？ Alice.
冇可能。
You know, I didn't really understand what she said, but her head was shaking back and forth. 冇可能是什么？不可能是不是？
I knew it.
It's not just no.
What is it?
It's impossible.
Oh.
Never ever.
Let me hear it again.
Not even your next
Let me hear it
life.
again, so when I hear it, I'll know exactly how bad things are.
冇可能。
冇可能。
That is a big boo-boo no-no. Bye-bye. All right, that's it for our Hakka lesson of the day. And you know what? Why don't you wrap up the whole show for us
Yes,
right
indeed. Let me say it. My heart is breaking, but 安子 say 张磊lao。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.